Nature's Requiem, a poem by Alexander Pardi. O blind and gentle tree, the strongest father, the most loving mother. O stupid soldier mountain, abrupt and single-minded, your purple face is blind to your red, red torso. O dying field of snow, you are so bleak and wet and gray, soggy wood and tattered brick, forever known as a single season. O flawless paper sky, you're a slave to your own emotions. O beautiful mother sea, those locks of foam are my discipline. O wall of aqua Goliath, emulsify me in your royal glory. I am your cheese-waxed David. O dear, thine innocence exists in the house of life and the home of the dead, cut and torn, thine eyes alive with death. And O death, friendly death, take us.